Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be talking about mindfulness meditation and its benefits.
Mindfulness meditation has gained immense popularity in recent years as an effective way to reduce stress and increase self-awareness. In this video, we'll explore how mindfulness meditation works, its benefits, and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine.
What is mindfulness meditation?
Mindfulness meditation is a form of meditation that focuses on being present in the moment and observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This means being aware of your surroundings, your breath, your thoughts, and your emotions without reacting to them. Mindfulness meditation is a simple yet powerful practice that can help you develop greater self-awareness and improve your overall well-being. Benefits of mindfulness meditation.
Research has shown that mindfulness meditation has many benefits, including 1. Reduced stress.
Mindfulness meditation can help reduce stress and anxiety by calming the mind and body. It helps you develop greater awareness of your thoughts and emotions, which can reduce the negative impact of stress on your health.
2. Improved self-awareness.
Mindfulness meditation can help you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions, which can improve your self-awareness. This awareness can help you make better decisions and improve your relationships with others.
3. Increased focus and concentration. Mindfulness meditation can help improve your focus and concentration.
It helps you train your mind to stay present in the moment, which can improve your productivity and performance. 4. Better sleep. Mindfulness meditation can also help you get better sleep by reducing stress and anxiety. It helps calm the mind and body, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep.
How to incorporate mindfulness meditation into your daily routine? Incorporating mindfulness meditation into your daily routine is easy. Here are some simple steps to get started.
1. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed.
2. Sit in a comfortable position with your back straight. 3. Close your eyes and focus on your breath.
Notice how your breath feels as you inhale and exhale.
4. When your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath. 5. Start with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase the time. Conclusion. In conclusion, mindfulness meditation is a simple yet powerful practice that can help you reduce stress and increase self-awareness.
By focusing on the present moment and observing your thoughts and emotions without judgment, you can develop greater self-awareness,
improve your focus and concentration, and get better sleep. So why not give it a try? Incorporate mindfulness meditation into your daily routine and see the positive impact it can have on your life. Thanks for watching.